I spent just under £8 on squishies on Temu, so let's do a haul and review them. I bought another one that isn't here yet, but anyway, I'm just going to pull these out at random and review them in order. I will attach the listings, and at the end I'll show the actual price of how much I spent. My total did come to £7.92, I think it was, and I got 3 squishies in total, and these ones have been eyeing up for a little while. Anyway, first of all, we have this like crystal one. I don't know what this is supposed to be called, but it's basically squishy filled with white polymer air dry clay and these like blue little crystals that add like a nice crunchy texture. Straight off the bat, it doesn't quite look like the picture. Like there's a lot more clay in here. However, it's not too far off the picture. I don't like that the clay basically deflates straight away, so it means there's like a pretty big air bubble in here, which I might try and remove, because when I pull like the silicone tie over the clay and get rid of that air pocket, it does feel a lot nicer. The crunches are a lot lighter than I thought they would be as well. Like there's not too many beads in here. Yeah, the excess air kind of makes it feel like you're playing with skin over an elbow or something. I don't know, it's just not my favorite, but it's nice. It is okay for the price. Next up, we have a proper curveball. I thought this was just a slushy bead filled squishy. I did not realize there was oil in this. I have never had a squishy with oil in it before. Like, it doesn't look oily in the picture at all. Again, it is very underfilled. You can see the air bubble in this, which I don't love. I don't like that they underfill it. It's really strange. But yeah, this is basically filled with slushy beads and some fake sesame seeds. So it's supposed to look like a dragon fruit. Well, I think it's supposed to look like a dragon fruit. Well, the inside of a dragon fruit. Yeah, the air bubble is just not nice. And like I said, it feels weird because there is oil mixed in with these beads. It's so strange. I do love it though. I think this, if this was packed, it would be right up my street. Again, I need to look for my syringe, and I'm going to suck this air out because I do feel like I'm going to pop it every time I squish it because the air bubble is excessive. But yeah, really, really weird. Never, ever seen a squishy like this, like I said, with the oil in there with the beads, but it does feel different, but in like a good way. I paid like £2 for it, which is why I bought it. And then the last squishy I have had in my basket for literally like a year and a half, and it is a sugar squishy, and it's really pretty. It's like this turquoisey blue, and there are shells in there and these holographic stars, and this genuinely is stunning. It's a really good size. Definitely worth the price. Really, really nice. It's so pretty. It also didn't fog up as quickly as I thought. Oh, also, the last one and this one don't have a sticky exterior. If I was to liken this one's squish, I'd say it's kind of like a Specs Gump. Like how it feels like you're playing with slime and it makes like that clicky noise when you like squeeze it in your hands. It's really, really nice and satisfying. Honestly, would highly recommend one of these. They are like £4 now, which I do think is a bit expensive because I definitely did not pay that. Yeah, I paid £2.53 for this, which is a really, really good price. I probably paid like £3.50 for this max. I think once you get to £4 territory, you're looking at like Nido prices, and it definitely is not worth that. I say that, but it is very beautiful. But yeah, I'm really happy with this little haul. They turned out pretty good. This one's definitely my favorite, and then as a random surprise, I think that this one is my second favorite. Again, I wish it wasn't have that like big air bubble in it, but really nice. And then this is my least favorite.